Leads are often called the lifeblood to any successful business. Why? Because to win more clients, you need more leads. Without any new leads, you won't be able to win more clients. So, how can you generate new leads each month for your business in a way that is predictable, profitable, scalable, and even automated? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you how you can get high quality leads in your business so that your business pipeline is full of new business opportunities every single month. So before I go into the different ways you can actually start generating leads, let me first of all give you a quick overview of the strategy that I use for myself and my clients to help them generate high quality leads every single month. Now, this strategy is really simple. It just involves 3 main steps. Step 1 is to have an opt-in page that solves a big painful problem. And here's an example of what my opt-in page looks like. And as you can see, there's a big title at the top that describes the big problem that we solve for potential clients. There's a few bullet points with some added value reasons why this would be a good fit for them. And there's also a form where they can fill in their name and email to receive the information that's promised. Step 2 is to send them a link to the video. So after they have given you their name and email, you now need to give them the information that you promised. Now, it's very important that the information does need to explain how you can solve a problem. There's no better way for you to build up trust in the mind of your potential clients than actually showing them that you can solve their problem by telling them what it is that they need to do to solve this problem. And then at the end of the video, you can explain how they can get even better and quicker results if they decide to work with you rather than trying to do everything by themselves. Now, when presenting the information, I do recommend presenting it in a video format. You could do it as a written guide, but I found a video works a lot better because number one, a video is more engaging. In other words, people will actually watch it, whereas with written content, people don't always actually read it. And with a video, it's much easier to build up trust compared to written content, and it will also help you get faster results versus just written content on its own. So if all you have right now is some sort of free written PDF guide or something like that, I would strongly recommend that you change this into a video. A video sales letter is actually what we use, and that will get you much better results. And if you want to know in more detail what it is that you need to say in the video to get results, then check out the free masterclass training that I recorded, which goes through how to do all this in a lot more detail. And of course, you'll be able to see an example of how I do it with my own video. So if you go to salesappointmentsmasterclass.com, you can check that out and see how it all works in more detail. Step 3 is to convert leads into clients. So every time that you get someone to enter the name and email, you've now generated a new lead. However, a new lead is not the same as a client. And that's why it's important at the end of the video that you've done in step 2, you have a call to action to go to the next step in your sales process. For example, if the next step in your sales process, someone would need to schedule a call before they become a client, then you would have a call to action in your video telling them to schedule a call in your calendar to learn more about how you can potentially help them. Now, some leads that you generate will convert into appointments and clients straight away, but most will not, which is totally normal. That's why it's important you have a strong follow-up process through follow-up emails or retargeting ads to build trust with your leads over time until they do eventually convert into clients. Now, most business owners do not have a strong follow-up process, which is why very often the leads that they generate never convert into clients. So don't make the same mistake. Make sure that you keep following up with your leads every single week until they eventually convert. And some leads will convert quickly within a few weeks or months, and others might even take years. The important thing is that you are the one that's following up with them until they convert and until the time is right for them to make that decision to go to the next step in your sales process. So now that you know the right strategy, how do you actually generate these leads in the first place? Or in other words, how do you actually get people to go to your opt-in page so you can start generating leads, appointments, and clients? Well, there are 2 main strategies that you can use to do this. You can use free lead generation strategies or paid lead generation strategies. Now, I'm not going to go through every single strategy that you can use to generate leads because there are literally hundreds. Instead, I'm just going to focus on the ones that I found actually get the best results. So let's start with free lead generation strategies. The advantage to using free lead gen strategies is that, as the name suggests, you generate leads for free or by spending very little money. The disadvantage is that often these strategies take longer to get results with compared to paid strategies. That being said, free lead gen strategies are an excellent way to generate leads. And even if you prefer paid lead generation strategies, I still recommend doing the free lead generation strategies at the same time as well. So let me go through 3 of my favorite lead generation channels and how you can start generating leads for free. And then I'll go through how you can generate leads using paid advertising. So let's get started with how to generate leads for free using LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, you can generate leads for free simply by connecting to potential clients and asking them if they want to watch a free video that goes through how you can solve a problem that they have. Now, to do this, you don't have to spend any money on LinkedIn, but you do need to spend time finding, connecting, and messaging people who are your potential clients. That being said, there are ways you can automate this step using LinkedIn software such as Meet Alfred or Linked Helper. But whether you decide to use LinkedIn software or not to help you save some time, the key thing to getting results on LinkedIn isn't the software, it's what do you actually do on LinkedIn. And it's important that you do not sell to them straight away, which is what most other people are doing. Instead, you ask them if they want to see a short video that goes through how you can help them. And then if they say yes, you can send them to your opt-in page and you can start generating leads for free using LinkedIn. My second and third favorite channel to generate leads for free is by using Google and YouTube. And every day there are thousands of people, including your potential clients, who are searching Google and or YouTube for answers to their questions. And the question you need to ask yourself is, are they finding you or one of your competitors? So to appear on search results, one thing that you need to do is just answer questions that your potential clients are asking. And you can answer these questions in written format on a blog on your website, or you can answer these questions in a video format for YouTube, such as this video that you're watching right now. By doing this, you can generate a steady stream of new leads and clients every month for free from both Google and YouTube. Now, if you want to get faster results, then you can simply pay an advertising channel such as Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, or YouTube for ads. And in these ads, I recommend that you give people a taste of how you can help them solve a problem that they have. So actually give them some value in the ads itself. Then if they like what they hear or see on the ad, you can tell them that if they want to learn more, they can watch a video that you've recorded that goes through how it all works in more detail. And then when they click on the ad to watch the video, they should go to your opt-in landing page, the one that I mentioned in step 1 earlier in this video. Now, after about a week or so of running ads, the advertising channel that you're using will tell you your average cost per lead. Then, through split testing different ads or audiences, you can lower your cost per lead over time. Now, my last piece of advice is to stay focused on what will get results. When it comes to marketing your business, there are hundreds of marketing strategies you could do, but very few are actually needed to get results. In fact, all you really need to do is focus on one or a few good strategies that will constantly generate new sales leads for your business each month in order to get results. And remember, the more leads you generate, the more appointments and clients you will win each month in your business.